Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the title of the chapter?
Why do we need water?
Okay, start reading.
Water is
Essential.
essential for life. It is one of our basic needs. We cannot live without water. We use water for drinking, bathing, washing, cooking, and other purposes.
Purposes.
Plants and animals also need water to live and grow.
Okay, 1 minute. Why do the plants need water? The plants need water to?
Grow.
Obviously.
Farmers need water to grow crops.
Turn the page.
Rain is the main source of water. Clouds provide water in the form of rainfall.
Forms.
The
Open the book.
rainwater is collected in tanks, ponds, and lakes. Some of it
Flows.
flows in the
Form.
of
Streams.
Some amount of water seeps through the ground. This is called the underground water.
Okay.
The rainwater is filtered and purified. It is collected in overhead tanks. From tanks, we get it through taps. In the
Villages, read properly, nicely and loudly. Wells are
the main source of water. Some houses have a hand pump to lift underground water.
Have you seen hand pump?
Yes.
Okay.
Some areas do not have enough water. People of these areas,
Hey, people of this, read properly, nicely and loudly.
Areas bring water from long distances. We should use clean water. We can purify water in many ways. Water is
Precious means it is very much important.
We must not waste water.
Okay. Now I have one question for you. That is, how can we purify water? By using water?
Filtered.
By the process of filtration and by using water purifier we can purify water. Good.